Did you know the thing a warrior fears most is rarely the enemy in front of him? He had survived 30 years of war, ambushes at dawn, silent marches through frozen mountains, wounds that healed into scars he stopped counting. Every battle had a shape he understood, a threat, a response, a purpose. Then the war ended. He returned home to a small house, a quiet street, and mornings with no orders. The birds outside his window were louder than they should have been. The stillness pressed against him like something alive. He realized he had been running for 30 years, not from enemies, from himself. Combat had given him something to do with his fear, something to point it at. But now there was nothing between him and the quiet knew everything. He sat with it anyway, not because it was easy, because he finally understood that the hardest battle was never outside. The most courageous thing a person can do is stop running and face their own silence. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.